Hi there! You're watching the Gardens and Graveyards channel. Today we're in our kitchen because it's so rainy and we're so desperate to do some kind of a garden task that we are trying out a bird food wreath, which we feed our birds the same kind of food in bird feeders, so we know they like the food, but we've never done a wreath before. We did try a suet thing a few years ago using fat that was used from cooking, and it went rancid and it attracted all the bears. So that didn't work out so good. So this time we're using gelatin. It's totally pure. It still has the like fatty proteins or whatever that birds need. Anyways, we're just gonna try it out. The other thing is the gelatin can melt in warmish weather, and we don't get freezing cold weather. So I'm hoping that, I mean, right now the temperatures are about the same temperatures as a refrigerator. And Jell-O stays
cold,
firm in a refrigerator. So my theory is that it'll work outside, and if it doesn't, we're gonna put it in a place where if it melts and makes a big mess, it won't matter. That's the plan. So we're just gonna mix up our ingredients and we'll show you what that looks like. All right, I'll put everything up on the screen as we go, but just to give you an overview, what we're starting with is obviously an empty pan, and we're gonna have corn syrup. We are using some cornmeal rather than flour because that's about to expire and I may as well not let it go to waste. And the birds will like the cornmeal, it's fine. And some warm water and a couple packets of unflavored gelatin. And then we have a bundt pan, and we will put some cooking spray in the bundt pan, and that's how we're going to form our wreath. So let's get started.
It's cute, but I
It's on there.
don't know. Awesome. Yay.
All right, well, we'll find out how good gelatin
Going through.
holds up in our temperate climate. We're not getting below 40 anymore, so I mean, very rarely, like in the middle of the night, maybe 38. So I don't know how long it's gonna hang out. Maybe the birds will just gobble it up and it'll be gone.
Right.
But if it does fall all apart, it'll just be all over the floor, and this is where, or the ground, and this is where the birds hang out anyway. So
Yeah.
I know it'll get eaten.
This is fun. Fun.
So, really cute, fun project. At least we tried, and if it works out, awesome. If not,
Awesome.
it was still really cute for a moment anyways, right? So thanks for hanging out with us while we made bird seed wreaths and shared our success and our failures. And of course, we'll update you and let you know what happens after this. Until the next time.
Peace.
Well, it's not even a day later, and yeah, that happened last night. So my guess is, and as a matter of fact, last night, right before the sun went down, or last night when we checked on it, there was still some up there, but my guess is that a bird landed on it, as they should. And the gelatin just doesn't hold up in our mild climate. So hopefully some squirrels and some birds will come and clean this up for us. If not, we'll be picking it up in the next day or two. But I'm pretty sure they'll just eat it off the floor. It's just not as pretty as it was up there. Lesson learned.